This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Thursday, May 21st. Stock index futures coming under some pressure in the overnight trade. And it looks like there is renewed tensions between the U.S. and China. So that being a bit of a negative. I would not be surprised, though, to see futures recovering and even trading higher on today, even though we did have jobless claims coming in a little bit worse than expected. Moving over to the currency markets, the dollar index was lower for a fifth consecutive day. Some recovery now as the dollar a little bit higher. Overall, though, interest rate differential expectations remain, I think, neutral for the currency markets as central banks around the world continue to be accommodative and are likely to become even more accommodative. Moving over to the interest rate futures markets, seeing a little strength at the long end of the curve. At the short end, futures are basically mixed. Economic reports today were a little bit stronger than expected, that being maybe a bit of a negative, but futures holding up relatively well. The gold and silver lower as some long liquidation taking place, but the fundamentals remain still very positive for the precious metals as interest rates around the world remain very low. And of course, we have the negative interest rates in much of Europe and in Japan. So I would not be surprised to see at least a partial recovery in both gold and silver. And the main trend still appears to be higher for the precious metals. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.